Who you be a ultimate contract, who you be a work connection contractor. The embassy must know of you. So the woman contacted the embassy, say, on this so and so, call into a business agreement. But a person who say, oh, you're affiliated to the embassy. And Ambassador Bewa said, Debbie, Marie Boadu no cry me no. Na onye any member or a government appointee. Ambassador Bewa born your year. The fact say, the man was able to tell the lady, say, Sebe, Marie Boadu any solar panel contract biya. Na ono de say, President ni eninia onim. Eno ano no. Papa ne born your year no yenko time. Ambassador Bewa ne born your year ya ne say. Ambassador Bewa ne born your year ya ne say. Oti Marie Boadu to. Say oboa. Onya ambassador. Na wo ni contract bi a betumi dia ma obia. Eno tu na ni DC ne so. Woman has made it a point to say, so far as Ofuria Tanoma reject no, so far as Sebe a year contract ya or pay abono, so far as the ono share free Ghana ho wen ya ne de. E kwan bio nam so a ode aban ne beba from no de ne beba from. Na ki we BM one time. We need to start getting smart. We tell the American. Ghanaians need to start thinking. Now, and then I said, should the laws of Ghana work? Or do we really want the laws of Ghana work? No, we don't want the laws of Ghana to work. And that is my stand. Me say, no. Oh, na Ghana, the assembly, and yeah, Juma Monchino, Opacochini says, Yashi. I because I buy an yard. I because IGP yet. And IGP way, and I buy and watch and Crawford, and IGP and IGP and Conquachi or more on poor Massabno. And I'm a boy. Omonye she kura penasem into one kwachi and IGP way there and I then a police and a police kwachi obiswa and a police a kwachi funny face and then a police a kwachi shatawale and a police a kwachi funny face. Yeah, Ghana for. Ah, tiwi tibonko so for no doson. Ghana tibonko so for no yeah doson. In one breath. Embraning Juma. Only when it doesn't catch me, there. Embraning Juma. Embrane chime there. And the I buy way there. Political way chant. And I buy way. And I IGP. And I coach the Amen Penasam there. Eh, some running Juma. He said the Embrane Juma at Chino. At hey. Bobo di ulaso for. Bobo di ulaso for. Yen fa fact in ye juma da. Yen fa fact in ye juma da. And IGP no, so sorry. Say ye kunkum crofo, and ye kunkum crofo, and ye kunkum crofo, you yate. Nani will free say. Earlier on, Ubiakoka say, ye be kidnap on kola, ye be kidnap on ma. Ye be chicha electricity wires, ye be shish transformers. Ye best share banks. And no common sense for now and are common sense. No. What are we doing to ourselves as a country? And I hear Kofi Buache ye pes waba DCP Kofi Buache ono na ese waba Kofi Buache amadia and ye dampare ye mane ye adwuma na dampare kroye kwawuni into anchi agrada and agrada Mon fa papers so mra ne nkwachi agrada moto was the case no court yente mo nka bi o madwane na mami nam ho and the nekra de say your day Joyce Blessing edin or the akoton on the platform so just wo promote wa fa ne ho adi free I have false misrepresentation because Joyce Blessing can say or call sebe ya mama part no or call the program I say no dey to or the commercial otumi su no ye ni evidence inti na inti uni evidence ya chenchen ai omo fa nkwochi agrada na ye chi ne sei mo kai time one license no wa se mo ba ye no ya chi agrada o na de bebo chire afedu omo tin say sanye sika gari ne de chi no omo I disappointed ya nchekwa o ya nchekwa And Akufo Addo onye hwe wo baaye and Mahama kra nam ho me pa cho papers be na ade abase we yenkwachi Mahama and NDC for no nam when yenchi NDC for and yenchi NDC into the emra no ye adwuma only when it catches NDC for me boa se emra no chi NDC for nko ade ne emra no ye adwuma you catch NDC e chi MPP de ne yenye yenkoko yenko di Akufo Addo atem yenko di dampare atem. We want the last to work. Uti kura utimu embrana ye adwuma. Obemas the same embrana ye adwuma o Ghana no. O se dey bi ompene. Funny face. My brother Jan. He is going through a very turbulent time. Something he brought onto himself. Because se funny face yari and started say bano, and I blame the mother. I blame funny face mother. Tamo and the bipolarness and started say kicking in. Genesis of D2. You people know this. I don't hear say start kicking in, you know. And Ankayanya is where radio be Jimmy, where radio no be Jimmy, can ne KB and situation on name no. Funny face na mo no kromu ha. And come with the never call I'm friend is saying mental hospital and come be under mental care. Because a person like that, no, anything can happen at any time. But was the time I know Jimmy no yes I know. Hey, funny baby, no on the program I see na man or ba when now. And there ba where be dinner tem where dinner twemu atem ni nsem wa kana tem sa face when you shoot to no was ya kopacho na Vanessa is my baby, I love you Vanessa and na dear esan koba pepe afedo nya Vanessa kura obebo ni tuaku. For those of you who don't know the inside story, one day the boy pulled the gun. It ended up senye nyamia odikun aboa e wo no ani fie ho. For those of you who don't know, Ochintio on Vanessa e emetio no kun kramanyo so no mmoa ne baako na masem ne say etio no otwenye e nanka sebe etukum Vanessa nanko amankwala nketenkete abaye nyanka o wo so enam say wo mental na nye correct nti emfa nkwala ne ma wo. Ghanaians, we need to start facing stuff. Now, mental health is something that needs to be taken seriously in Ghana. Because when we say Ghana, mental health in your idea, face the country. No mental health for be face the country, freedom fighters, we are name. Mental health issue no be in FM. But you pay attention to it until we don't know. You pay attention to mental health seriously in Ghana, so we don't know. But mental health is a very serious thing in Ghana. Ya what started say, "Wo ye no we are no akodi na tem, we are no akoye ni say, we are na sanka ye nya ye ben no. Funny face handless no. Here your word. It's not good psychiatric because they say no, enduro omode amano no. So wan toso anomo ade bia say ya no be. So wan no na duro na every time we be obenya chance bi obeba bonti abebe misbehave. And we had me get, and I went at me yere, and I may yere the minute no ni na we dino, and Obana me casino, on wo, and I did age me. But our Ghanaians gonna